Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable Facebook notifications Chrome. Open your Facebook account in Chrome. There, click on your profile and select Settings and Privacy. Then choose Settings again. On the side, go to the option Notifications. You are going to display the field Reminders. Here you can disable all notifications by turning off the switch, Allow Notifications on Facebook. You can also enable it and define the type of notification to use in the section where you receive these notifications. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.